Good morning, students. Welcome you once again in the class of English. This is second video session of this week. In the first video session, I explained you some of the questions from understanding the text from chapter 6, 0 hour. And this is second part in which we have some more questions. As the exercise is long, and so in one video it cannot be accommodated, cannot be explained in one online class, and that's why I have put it in another one. And I hope that the first video that I sent you, you must have understood all the questions, and this is the second video in which I will include some more questions, the next questions from the exercise and some other questions. Let us see what are the questions. Last week we studied the chapter. I hope that you must be reading the chapter again and again, so that any confusion in any statement, in any event you can clear it. Because questions are given in your exam from the story, from the passage, from the line, not only from the exercises. That's why please go through whole chapter minutely. This is what the suggestion. Let us see now the exercise. Up to third we have already discussed. There were some sub part of the question. In some questions there were A, B, C, like that. So there were several questions. Let us see in the fourth and next here what the question asks us. Here fourth one is, we see Bobby sitting firmly in the rocket. When and where do we see him next? Let us see the question minutely. Why was he there instead of inside the rocket? That is no doubt. Another question. We see Bobby sitting firmly in the rocket. He was determined. He was going to the moon and he was sitting in the rocket. When and where do we see the next moment only? Why was he there instead of inside the rocket? We can see Bobby lying in his bed at night. We had seen in the story that he was sitting firmly in the rocket and he was determined that he was going to moon with his father. But next moment in the story we find that he was lying on the bed. Okay, at night. When he was woken up by the soft touch of his father. Okay, while speaking to his father. Okay, let us see now. Bobby explained that he was already in the rocket. Bobby told his father that he was already in the rocket and had decided to go to the moon. However, at the last minute, he came out thinking about his mother, that she would be all alone if both he and his father traveled on the rocket. Okay, so this was the reason he told his father. First he told that he too was going to the moon. His father didn't take it seriously. He thought that his son was talking about his toy rocket. And next moment when he told that why he had come, then he answered that he came back from the rocket because he was now worried about his mother, that she would be left alone. So he could not leave his mother alone. He returned back. Next question. I got into the rocket and was all set. This is the statement. On basis of this statement, the question is, who said this to whom and when? Bobby said this to his father when his father at night asked him if he too was planning to make a trip to moon? This is what here the answer. You have here question, who said this, to whom, and when. So the answer is Bobby said this to his father, and his father at night asked him, when his father asked him at night if he too was planning to make a trip to moon. What was meant by the speaker? The speaker Bobby meant that he had actually planned for traveling to moon by getting into the real rocket. He had said so. He had told, and he meant to say that he wanted to go to the moon, traveling to moon by getting into the real rocket. He told his father. And next question is, what was understood by the listener? Listener means his father. What was understood by his father? Bobby's father, however, assumed, means thought, that Bobby was referring to his toy rocket. His father thought that he was talking about his toy rocket to go to moon, and his imaginary mission to the moon, traveling in the same rocket. The question next to that is here, children were wonderful. What a wonderful dream world they lived in. This is the statement, just extract from the story. Children were wonderful. What a wonderful dream world they lived in. This was the line his father thought, in fact. Let us see who thought this and why. Bobby's father, John Kendall, thought this when Bobby told him that he planned of traveling to the moon in a rocket. That here a statement that is given was a thinking that came in the mind of his father when his son told that he was going to moon in the rocket. His father thought another way, and he just thought about his imagination, that his son was just imagining. So who thought this and why? Bobby's father, John Kendall, thought this when Bobby told him that he planned of traveling to the moon in a rocket. Although Bobby was talking about traveling to the moon in a real rocket, not in his toy rocket. His statement was different, but that statement was understood by his father in different way. His son was talking about the real rocket he had done, but his father had not any kind of thought, any kind of idea that his son had really dared so. He had gone into the real rocket, and he had returned from the real rocket. He had not in his mind this statement. However, his father thought of Bobby's toy rocket and his imaginary mission of traveling to moon, which according to him was a wonderful thought of his dream world. Of course, a boy who was thinking to going to moon in a toy rocket, it was indeed a wonderful thought, and especially to think by his father. In this situation, who thought that he is wiser, the grown-up or the child? Here the question is very logical. In this situation, who thought that he is wiser, the grown-up or the child? Did he really have the fuller and the better understanding of the situation? Here there is another part of the question. In this situation, the grown-up, that is Bobby's father, thought himself to be wiser. He thought, thinking like this, he thought himself to be wiser. However, he did not have the fuller and better understanding of the actual situation. Why? As he was not aware that Bobby was actually in a real rocket and was about to fly to moon. and got down just at the last minute. He didn't guess so. He was not able to think so. And in this way, he was thinking that he was wiser, but the idea was different. The boy was telling the real thing, his real plan, his real thinking, what he had thought, what he had done, his activities. But his father thought in different way. He analyzed his statements in different way, and he concluded different here about his statement. But the boy meant something else. So these were the questions from this part. In the last video, that is the third video of this week, I will include some of the questions from the chapter inside and grammar and usage and words in use. That's so important for all of you. So till then you wait and write all these answers in your notebook and learn them nicely. Thank you, students. Thank you very much being with me. Thank you.